Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If your dough is raw, underdone on the inside but your churro is done on the outside, you need to lower your oil temperature because the outside of the churro is cooking faster than the inside and giving you the impression that it's done. If your churro is brittle, your churro is overcooked.
Take our lead.
Why are my churros not crispy? Fry the churros in smaller batches of 4 to 6 at a time. You could also have this problem if your oil is not hot enough. Allow it to heat up a little more, before continuing on with the rest of the batch. 30 April 2019.
Take our lead.
Spread your churros on a baking sheet and pop them in for 5 to 8 minutes until fully heated through. Heating your churros in the oven is certainly your best option, as it warms them fully while maintaining their crispy texture. 10 June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It should be soft but not doughy inside. If so, the oil is at the correct temperature. Press out and fry the churros 4 or 5 at a time, draining each batch on paper towels. After the churros cool for 1 minute, roll them in the sugar and cinnamon mixture. 17 February 2009.
Take our lead.
Churros are special South and Central American donut sticks. This sweet treat was adopted from Spain and often called a Mexican donut. Churros are tube-shaped, unyeasted sticks of dough, piped from a star-tipped pastry bag, fried in oil, and rolled in cinnamon sugar. 7 January 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Make ahead. The dough can be refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 1 day before frying. Bring the dough back to room temperature before frying. Storing. Though they are best served warm, the churros can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. 7 December 2012.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The churros you eat from street vendors or at fairs in Mexico are very simple. The dough is made of just flour, water, a bit of sugar, salt and a touch of oil. There is no egg. Adding an egg makes it a little richer and causes the churro to puff up a bit more in the hot oil. 22 April 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Once you've tried a freshly cooked authentic churro, there is just no going back. A good churros recipe is hard to find. A few notes on my churros recipe. The dough mixture is sticky and really thick. Thicker than you think it should be. 4 January 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.